Have you ever opened up a control panel and thought, how is anyone supposed to work in here? Or tried to add just one more component only to realize you're totally out of space? The truth is, most panel layouts waste a ton of room, and that clutter leads to longer installs, tougher maintenance, and way more headaches than it should. But what if you could save up to 30% panel space and clean things up without changing your components or blowing your budget? Let me show you how one small change in layout with Panduit PanelMax DIN rail wiring duct can make your panels faster to build, easier to service, and way more efficient. When you're mounting DIN rails straight onto the back panel and running separate wiring ducts besides them, you're using way more space than you need, creating extra work for yourself in the process. PanelMax changes that. It's a wiring duct with DIN rail mounted directly on top. One piece, one install, no wasted space. It's like virtually stacking your control components. This design lifts the DIN rail off the panel and gives you a built-in wire channel right underneath. This means shorter wire runs, fewer duct cuts, and cleaner, tighter layouts overall. And yeah, it's not just about looks. A compact panel actually saves you from having to spec larger, more expensive enclosures. Now, if you're wondering, will this work with my gear I already use? It probably will. PanelMax supports standard 35mm and 15mm DIN rails and works with terminal blocks, relays, fuse blocks, breakers, and even small PLC I/O modules. As long as the weight is under 4 pounds per foot, you're good. And here's where it saves you real time. Instead of mounting the DIN rail, then the duct, then aligning them, PanelMax lets you do it all in one piece. Panduit says it cuts install time by up to 50%. That's more time for wiring, testing, and actually wrapping up the job on time. Plus, it's built for real-world work. Hinged covers double as wire ledges during install, pass-through slots keep routing clean, optional retainers hold conductors in place, even with the cover off. If you're struggling with cramped panels, the problem might not be your enclosure size. It may be how you're laying it out. PanelMax is one of the simplest, smartest ways we've seen to clean things up, save space, and build faster without changing the components you know and trust. If you want to see what a 30% smaller panel footprint could mean for your next build, reach out. We'll help you figure out if PanelMax is a good fit and get you set up with everything you need to make the switch.